Welcome to BDY Trading, where I show you the real way to learn how to trade. In this video, we'll go over today's trading session, setups, logic, and lessons I learned. Let's get started. At the start of the session, price was on a downtrend, making moves lower and retracing to previous levels of resistance. Price then keeps dropping lower and starts to slow down around support. It then makes a push higher for a resistance retest. I noticed how price started to slow down around the level, so I decided to set a short at a break of recent lows. Price hit my order on the drop and keeps moving lower for a little. After another dropped, my stop trails automatically at break even. Price then started to turn around and pushed up, stopping me out.
Stop filled.
Price drops further, break through a support trend line and going for a retest of support. It then bounced off the level and makes a move higher. It then reached the previous resistance and started to reject the level and drop again. I then set up another short order at the recent lows and get in on a rejection of the level. After the initial move lower, price then stopped and reversed back up, stopping me out for my first loss on the day.
Stop filled.
Price starts approaching the resistance level and rejects to retest the recent lows one more time. The level holds and starts to move again towards the resistance, so I decided to set a buy order at a break of highs. Price hit my order, but it drops and starts ranging. This was a bad thing for my strategy. After price kept moving inside that range and moved lower, stopping me out for another loss. Price made move toward resistance. It tested but failed to break and pulled back down.
Order filled.
I went for a short here at a break of lows, expecting a support failure, but price quickly bounced and stopped me out for another loss.
Filled.
The setup seemed to remain valid, so I went for another short. Price moved lower and filled my order. Price made another move lower and my stop trailed to break even. Price then stalled for a second and pushed again, trailing my stop to secure a +1R. Price moved closer to support and stopped me out for a profit. Price made a move higher off support, and as it got closer to the previous range, it started to slow down. Seeing this, I decided to take a short, expecting a continuation lower at a break of lows. Price hits my order and moves back up and started to range.
Stop filled.
Stopping me out for a loss. This session has been really difficult. In fact, this whole week have been a hard week. This last couple of sessions has been a lesson on trading during unstable times outside the charts. By the way, if you're liking this video so far, subscribe for more content and trading analysis. Moving on. As price moved higher and got closer to resistance, I decided to set a sell short, expecting a rejection of the level. Price then pushed lower and triggers my auto break even, and then stops me out of this trade. Seeing how there was more potential to the downside, decided to get in on another short at a break of lows.
Order filled.
Price hissed my order and proceed to move lower.
Stop filled.
As price moved lower, my stop trails to break even risk-free trade. Price then made a move higher and stopped me out. Multiple break-even trades like this really annoy me. Price then found support and made a bounce. Seeing this, I decided to take a long at break of previous highs. Price hits my order and quickly start ranging with no significant move. After a while, price then drops and stops me out for my last trade, and putting an end to this session.
Stop
This was one of
build.
those sessions where you're glad what is done because of how hard it was mentally and emotionally. I started this channel with the intention to show how a real trading journey looks like. Not only from a trades and setups of the strategy, but days and weeks like these are all about the self-control and discipline. If you enjoy a more realistic approach to what become a trader really looks like, subscribe to this channel and join me on this journey. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.